What's up, y'all? I am back. I'm back. Hey, 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 hey. I'm back. Hey, I'm back. Hey, 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 I'm back. Hey, 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 I'm back. Yes, I am back. I am here. I'm not leaving anymore. I'm here to stay. I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving no more. I promise. I promise. You can take my word for it. But I'm here. I'm here to give you this look. I'm here to give you more looks. I'm here to give you everything. Now with this look, I use the color palette. Yes, please palette, and yes, please. Okay. Yes, and it says cute AF on the front. It's lit. Cool everyday palette. And if you guys want to see this look, stay tuned, like, subscribe, all that. It is me, Bria, B-R-I to the A. I like that. All right, stay tuned, y'all.
Alright, so the first thing we're using is the Kiss New York Top Brow Pencil in the color Deep Dark Brown. And we're just going to breeze right on past this. If you guys want to see an eyebrow tutorial, just comment down below. And to carve out under my eyebrow, I am using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Warm Honey. And I'm also going to use this as an eyeshadow base, so I'm just putting all over my lid, and I'm going to blend it out with my finger. And I'm also going to set my lid with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Alright, so right into the eyeshadow, I'm going to use this brown shade by the name of Note to Self. Now I'm taking the color Gino, which is just a darker brown shade. I'm just going to put that in my crease. Now for all over my lid, I'm going to take the color French Kiss, and I'm just going to pack it all on top of my lid, just everywhere. Now I'm just going to blend out all of the harsh edges, just so it can look nice and blended. Now I'm going to take the color Chauffeur, and I'm just going to put it right in the middle of all of that. And I was feeling a little froggy, so I decided to put another color right on top of Chauffeur, and it is the color Butter Cake. And for mascara, I'm going to use the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. If you don't know, now you're going to know that Maybelline is forever my choice of mascara. Like, for sure. And my choice of lashes today is the Miss 3D Lashes in 102B. If you want to see an eyelash tutorial, I'll leave the link in my description box because I already got this down. I'm applying my Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the color Suede. Unfortunately, my foundation was not recorded because for whatever reason. But if you want to see a foundation routine, comment down below. Now to cut these cheekbones, we're going to use the Fenty Beauty Magic in the color Espresso. It gets the job done, y'all. Not even gonna lie. And to make sure all of my cream that I just put on my face moves and blends perfectly, I'm going to use the MILANI Make It Dewy setting spray. And it's actually pretty bomb. You can get it anywhere. Super cheap. So right here, I'm using the Real Technique Sculpting Face Brush. And I love this brush for blending out my contour. It's bomb. And because I like for my highlighter to be super bright, I'm going to go right on top of that Fenty and put LA Girl Pro Concealment Warm Honey right on top. And just blend it out. And of course, we have to go ahead and bake this face. So I'm going to use the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. And for the sake of this video, I kind of showed how I would sort of contour my nose. Not really, I mean, I have a fairly small nose, so I don't really have to, but I just wanted to show you how I would do it. Snatch those cheekbones. Do you hear me? Yes. And I'm just using the Sacha Buttercup with my Real Technique sponge. And to set my contour, I'm going to use the NYX Cheek Contour Duo palette in the color Wine and Dine. I'm just going to use that dark brown color. And now what I'm doing is I'm just taking a small angled brush and I'm just applying French kiss to the bottom of my waterline. Now I'm just going to put the They're Real push-up liner in my waterline. I'm also going to wipe off all of that powder I had on my face. Applying mascara to my bottom lashes, which is the Maybelline Lash Stiletto mascara and the Maybelline Colossal mascara. And I'm just going to spray my face once again with that MILANI Make It Dewy setting spray. And then after it dries a little bit, then I'm going to add my MAC Extra Dimension Skin Finish and Oh Darling. And oh darling, you can see that highlight right there. I applied my lip off camera and I used the Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip in Limbo. And this is the final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video today, and I hope to see you guys soon. More videos to come. Like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell your mom, tell your auntie. See you later. Peace.